going to see how to create a basic website using WordPress online. So first of all, I will search for wordpress.com. I am going to get number of search results, out of which I am going to select the one which is said wordpress.com to create a free website or a blog. When I click on this, a page will appear. Since I am already a registered member, this is the login page of mine which is appearing, in which I will go to now my sites. When I click on my sites, the site I have created, the statistics of that site is visible to me. Here we can see that how many views are there to the site and how many number of people have visited the site. This is the statistical data available to me. People who are visiting my site are from which country is shown to me. Now there is an option called view site. I will click on this. Here you can see that site that I have already created. Now how I have created this site? Just let's have a look on it. What I will do it, I will open this window in another tab so that we can compare this dashboard and the actual site. So for editing of the site, there are two number of options available. Directly I can edit over here, or editing is possible through the dashboard of the site. So here the site is visible, along with which at the right hand side bottom there is an option called as customize. If I click on it, on left hand side you will see number of options now. Till the time this is loading, we will go through this. Statistics we have seen. Activities is nothing but which operation I have performed at what time, that will be given. Now if I click on site pages, it will give me what pages I have created on my site. Now here you can see blogs, courses, about me and contact are the pages that I have created. Same thing here you can find out. Now as we have seen blogs, courses, about me and contact, this is visible to me in this menu. So if I want to make any changes or add another menu in this, what I can do is in this thing, I can go to menus, I can select this menu and I can add items to it. Suppose I want to add another column in the menu. What I will do, the name of this I will add over here. Let us say some ABC menu I have to add. I will type this and I will add this. Now it is automatically getting added over here. Once I am done with this, what I have to do is I have to say publish in order to make the changes. Also there is an option to rearrange this menu in the list. I can just simply drag and drop it to the desired place, or another option available is here I can click on reorder and change the position of this newly created menu. If I want to keep changes, I will say publish, but if I don't want to keep changes, I will just click over here and say discard changes. So whatever unpublished changes are there till now, all will be discarded. Now same thing is available over here. Now whatever data or whatever text you have to add under these pages, you can add directly over here. Suppose I want to add something about me under this page. So what I will do, I will just click over here. I will say edit. And I have given some data regarding myself. So I can edit this data over here. Now same thing you can see on this side. If I go to about me, site is getting loaded. The data that I have entered over here will be visible on this section under About Me page. See, this is the data that is available to us. Now suppose this is the visible thing and we want to make any desired changes in this. Suppose I want to change my teaching experience now and I have to make it as 5 years. What I will just do is, I will go here, instead of 4 I will say now 5 and I will say update. Once it is get updated, this message you are going to get, and when I refresh this page, again I will go to About Me page. And here you can see the change that I have made over here. So this is how you are going to rearrange the data or make any changes that you want, and the changes will be directly taken place in your website. Now again I will return back to the home. So this is how you are going to edit the data on your site pages. Now there are options to add number of posts. So post I have added till now are these 2 posts. This post is called as Engineering Mechanics. On my site you can see over here. When I click over here, here you can see I have given one link over here, right? So how I have given this link? Here under this blog Engineering Mechanics, if I click to edit, this is the title that I have given. This title is visible over here, and whatever data I am going to write in this content, that will be visible over here. So currently I have added one document that I have created, that is nothing but a PowerPoint presentation. So how I have added that? If I want to add another thing, what I will do, I will just go to add, and which kind of thing you have to add. If it is external media, I will just select over media. Suppose I want to import some image to this. What I will do, I will go to image. Suppose whatever images are available over here, if I want to add one of those images, then I will just select over this image. Otherwise, if I want to browse image from the computer, what I will do, I will go to add new. I will browse the data. I will select the image and I will say open. Once I will say open, that image will be loaded and this will be directly available for me to insert in the slide. Now here we can see this image is selected. I can say insert. Now here you can see this image got inserted. If I update this, as you can see that changes will take place over here when I refresh the site. Now the changes we have made under this section, Engineering Mechanics, I am clicking on this. along with the previous link of that PPT, the newly added image is visible to us. So this is how we are going to edit the content in our website. We have already seen how to insert any media file to this. Also, I'll close this now. So blog post and site page we have seen. The media you have entered or uploaded over here, directly you can upload media over here, and while just adding into the blog post, you need not browse in your PC again and again. Also, the appearance of your site is dependent upon the theme. So in personalize, there is option to personalize your theme. When you select that, there are number of themes available to you. You can select any of the theme of your choice. I have selected this theme, so that's why my web page is looking like this. Now site identity I am telling about. Site identity, here you can see site title. This is the site title of mine, and the tagline, if you want to give tagline you can give, if you don't want you can remove it. If you want your web page or site title and tagline to be visible, you can just enable this display text site, or if you don't want it, just disable it. Whatever function you will perform, just publish it so that the changes are saved. Contact information, here there are two number of options available to you. You can either keep your contact information at the top of the page or at the bottom of the page. I would prefer to keep it at bottom, so I have selected in the footer. Address of my institute is given, here you can see. The address at which you can contact me, phone number you can add, also the email address on which you can get contacted will be provided over here. This is how you can update the contact information. Fonts, by default with the theme, the type of font I have got, I have kept it, I have not changed it, but I can change it over here. This is your font style, this is the format, whether it is normal, italic, bold or bold italic, and whether it is small in size, normal in size or large. Mine is of normal size. Now menus we have seen already. So this is how I have created a website of myself using Wordpress. Thank you for watching the video.